Many arguments don't necessarily start because someone said the wrong thing. Instead, they form due to a misunderstanding of intention. This phenomena is known as the perception gap. Two people, one conversation, and somehow, two completely different versions of the conversation. So, what might have just happened? Let's do the math. What someone meant is not always what someone else heard. That space in between, that's the perception gap. Why might this happen? Well, there's a few different reasons, and the more reasons that stack up on top of each other, the larger the perception gap might become. Variable number 1, words versus tone. You said something neutral, but your tone, your timing, your expression, that's what they reacted to. All of those details factor into the interpretation of the listener, along with their own biases. Variable number 2, personal filters. A person's past experiences and internal insecurities can lead them to process information from someone else differently than the presenter intends. One person may be speaking purely from logic, but the receiver is hearing through memory. All of the patterns they've seen before reshape what the speaker is trying to convey. Variable 3, assumptions. One person assumed the other knew what they meant. The second assumed they meant something else, and neither of them checked to verify they were correct. Oftentimes, one person's own biases could lead them to have a less common understanding of a particular situation or circumstance. So, when they use common phrasing to represent an uncommon idea, it can get perceived like the more common circumstances usage, leading to a misunderstanding of the overall situation that sometimes won't be discovered until a later conversation. Here's the shift. Communication is not what you say, it's what they interpret, which means the real equation looks like this. Intent does not equal impact. Now the gap starts to grow. You defend your intent. That's not what I meant. They defend their experience. That's how it felt. And now you're not even arguing about the same thing anymore. That's why arguments escalate so fast. Because from your perspective, you're being misunderstood. And from theirs, you're not taking responsibility. Both sides feel justified. And both sides feel unheard. So how do you close the gap? Not by repeating yourself louder, not by trying to win. Instead, try to get back to common ground with 3 steps. Number 1, translate. That's not what I meant. Should become, let me rephrase that. Number 2, clarify. You're overreacting. Should become, what did you hear me say? Number 3, own your side. You should have known. Should become, I should have explained that better. The goal isn't to be right, it's to be understood. Because when 2 people are arguing from 2 different realities, there's no resolution, only distance. Most arguments aren't about what was said, they're about what it became in someone else's mind. And until both parties are standing in the same reality, nothing can be resolved. If you can find the variables and close the gap, the math will work itself out.